Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today is a day in the life and I have some news for you guys, so stay tuned. My day is actually going to be kind of boring. I'm going to do a little bit of cleaning and you're just going to see what my day is like. To drink strawberry milkshake. That is the best strawberry milkshake I've ever tasted. So you said you have mint cookies?
Yeah.
I'm at an ice cream shop right now. That whipped cream looks yummy.
Would you like one of our biggest sundaes?
Sure.
Would you like some cream?
Yes, I would love some cream.
Okay. And let me. Thank you. Strawberry ice cream.
Whipped cream with strawberry ice cream. Yum.
One cherry.
Oh, and a cherry.
Yeah.
Thank you. That looks so good. Okay, so I know that I told you guys I was going to film a decluttering video and it was going to be in my homeschool room. So that's what I'm about to show you guys. And I'm just gonna let you guys know what's been going on. So here's my homeschool room and you try to guess and figure out what's going on. Okay, so I'm just gonna let you guys know what's going on. We found out last week that my husband got another promotion. He works for FedEx and he's been with them for almost 15 years. So 3 years ago, in August of 2015, he got a promotion and we moved down here to North Florida. And now we are moving back up to North Georgia, which is where we are from. It's where both of our families live. And we're not going to be in the same county or anything like that with them, but we're going to be so much closer than what we are now. And the kids are excited, we're excited. God is awesome. We've been praying for this for a while now, and we are just so happy that we are moving. So let me know what you guys think. I'm really excited. So I just want to let you also know that I will not be making as many videos these next few months, these next few weeks, probably about a month or so, until we are settled into our new place. It was the pinkest day of the year. I'm going to fly a kite at the festival this year. I said, "Do you know how to fly a kite?" asked Peter. I shrugged. I can try.
Take your time. Wait while you take your time. I will wait while you take your time. Wait while you take your time. You know I see us together. it's a brighter day for you. Tell me, what are you saying? What game are we playing?
So now I'm gonna do some laundry.
It's to be for real now, real now. Oh, 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 wait, while you take your time. I will wait while.
Please don't ground your brother. Okay, I won't ground your brother.
Take your time. I will wait while you take your time. I will wait while you take your time. Wait while take your time. Wait while take your time. Wait while take your time, and darling, baby, take your time.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away.
Lois.
No. Butterfly.
No.
Bird.
No.
Pigeon.
Yes. Cactus.
No.
Kangeroo.
No.
Don't fall.
Fluffy bird.
No.
Zebra. No. Giraffe.
No. I'm not an animal. I'm something what people live in.
Human.
No. I'm something what we are in right now, Molly. What are we in?
Tent.
What are we in?
A house.
Finally! Yes, that was it.
This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
What is this? You happy?
Oh yeah.
Are you smushed?
No.
You sure? I'm not smushing you? Okay.
No.
I was gonna take a video.
I love it.
What, Lucy?
This is our brand new car, and I love it.
My arm is sticky from sweat. I lay it across your neck, so I'll drive with this arm.
Let's like it.
What do you
Going to
think?
get a pizza.
Turning up and
Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free.
Ready? Go. So every day I try to spend at least 20 or 30 minutes with each of my children, just one-on-one. And my son really enjoys playing video games, and I'm actually a gamer myself. I had 3 brothers growing up, so I'm very, very familiar with playing video games. My sister wasn't born until I was 16, so my entire childhood I had 3 brothers. So I'm a gamer mom.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We
right, guys, so I'm gonna end my video right here. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I really just wanted to make a quick video that gave you a little bit of cleaning motivation and to just give you an update on what's going on. So I hope you enjoy. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Really? Really? Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.